Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Royal Short Fashion. Dear friends and subscribers, how are you? I hope you are fine and hope well. Today I have many pairs for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. Today I will talk about most stylish and most demanding women royal collection, handmade cross-stitch embroidery, parrot ideas. Very attractive, very beautiful. I have only ideas, videos. I must suggest you of this video. Please friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you get all the notification of my videos and never miss my video collection of my channel. If you like this video, click the like button and share videos with friends, family members and social media accounts. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with different collection, design, style and color combination for you friends. Please again subscribe my YouTube channel and wait for my new video. Take care friend. Allah Hafiz.